The stone where I learned from before I go, but I'm gonna be tired. The way the stone job no account.
Okay. Yeah, hello amazing customers. Today we are delivering a granite stone to a billionaire's home. Oh, chef, you will say now. Charlie, yeah, no, be small, Charlie. Charlie, the house be unique. Charlie, the house is be oh God. Yeah. Wow, Charlie, everything is on point, 100%. Look at the house. Look at everything. You see. When they get money, just like Joe 19. Yeah, so this be the front view of the house, and we are going to use the granite stone to design one portion. You see, this come out. So Steven, I want to involve only the granite stone to design a portion. You see, so the customer I'm going to use the granite stone to design this portion. I always saying that once you build your dream home in Ghana, leave a portion for a granite stones. You see, leave a portion for a granite stones. You see, look at everything. Go for so can we? Go for so can we now? Is it?
At the other side, there is a quarter 3 square meter around there. Can you take 3 square meter back?
No, please, no. No. You see, so these are the granite stone that we are going to use. Very natural. Go for don't say me, yeah, also like, you know. So these are the stones. You know. This one is like go for it, make them 10. He can't have already, no. You see, these be pure granite stones. Look at everywhere. I always saying that give the work to the right person. Make the right person do something nice for you, something beautiful for you. Give your work to the right person. You see, look at the house. Look at how everything is on point. You see, after everything, the customer say he can't build a house like this without a natural stones. Oh, say he can't build a house like this without a natural stones, and the customer have choose a portion. You see, to lay a natural stones there. So that will tell you that you need a natural stones on your building. You need a natural stones on your building. You need a natural stone on your building. So whatever they give us a call, we supply a natural stone across the country. The name is Saving Stone Design. Bye bye. Hey, Godfather.